Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Lechon Paksiw. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have onions, garlic, dried bay leaves, salt and pepper, Lechon Kawali or pork belly. We got soy sauce, vinegar, olive oil, and sugar. So let's do it. In our hot pan here, let's add olive oil. Okay. All right. Then put our onions. Let's give it a minute. Add our garlic. Cook it for another minute. Now we'll add our pork belly or Lechon Kawali. Let's give it a good stir. Okay. Let's add just a little of water. Okay. And cook it for the next 3 minutes. Now let's check our pork belly or Lechon Kawali. Now it is time to add a little of soy sauce. Okay. Just dust of salt. Dust of black pepper. And gonna put dry bay leaves. There we go. And then we will add 3 spoons of vinegar. All right. Then we'll cook this for the next 3 minutes. Let's check our Lechon Paksiw. Wow, it's boiling now. The vinegar is boiling now, so we can give it a good stir now. All right. Wow, it smells so good. Very good smell. So now this is the time to put our lechon sauce, which I failed to show to you earlier. So let's pour this guy in. The lechon sauce. In my past video, I showed you how to cook lechon sauce. Okay, give it a good stir, and then add just a little of sugar, like I should say 2 spoons of sugar, according to your taste, and you can add or you can lessen the sugar if you want to. Now, this is, give it another 1 minute or 2 minutes, it will be done. Here is our finished product, Lechon Paksiw or Lechon Paksiw pork belly. Please share this recipe and go to my YouTube channel to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good day.